Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the previous sessions, we solved problems based on the different measures of finding fertility. Those are CBR, GFR, ASFR and TFR. So today, let's solve some more problems based on total fertility rate. As we all know that total fertility rate or TFR is the only measure which can be used for comparing fertility between two or more populations. So, in today's session, let us solve problems based on a single population and two populations. So, the first problem, which is given in the slide, calculate total fertility rate from the following data. Different age groups are given along with the male and female population and number of live births are given in the question. Now first you should identify the formula. In order to find a TFR, there are two different formulae. The first one is for the quinquennial age groups and the other one is when the difference is not 5 or the width of the class when it is not equal to 5, when it is not exactly 5, we are finding TFR based on the sum total of ASFR values. Now, as we can see in the given age groups, the first class it is less than 15 and the last class which is greater than or equal to 45. But the number of live births for these two classes, for the first and the last class, which is 0. So the rest of the classes, for the rest of the classes, the data is given here. So as we can see, for the other classes, that is 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40 and for 40 to 45, different values are given in the question. Now all these classes are exclusive class intervals, which means the upper limit of the previous class is the lower limit of its succeeding class, that is 20 is the upper limit of my previous class and that 20 is continued in its succeeding class, which means the values are repeated. So these are exclusive class intervals. When it is exclusive class interval, the lower limit will be included in the class whereas the upper limit will be included in its succeeding class. So since it is exclusive class interval, consider the values 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19, whereas 20 is included in the next class. So the difference is 5. In the next class, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. The difference is 5, whereas 25 is included in its succeeding class. So as you can see, the difference is 5. The width of the class interval is 5. So in order to find TFR, the formula is TFR equal to 5 into sigma quinquennial ASFR values. Now, as we all know that in order to find a TFR, the first step you should find all the ASFR values. So include one more column in the solution part. Solution, draw the table, copy the data from the given question and include one more column to find all the ASFR values. So the first ASFR value is 0 because the number of live births given in the question is 0. One more thing, here in this question both male and female data or female population is given in the question, whereas as we all know that in order to find ASFR we should consider only the female population, whereas male population is not taken into consideration. So consider only the female population. Now find ASFR value for the second class, that is number of live births, which is 20, divided by its female population, which is 7,300, multiply it by 1000. So 20 divided by 7,300, multiply it by 1000 and ASFR value is 2.7397. For the next class, 180 divided by 6800, which is multiplied by 1000. And the next ASFR value is 26.4706. Similarly, find ASFR value for the rest of the classes. Next class, the ASFR value is 43.33. After that, 35.7143. The next value is 16. After that, 1.2195, and the last value is 0. Now write the TFR formula. That is, TFR equal to phi into sigma quinquennial ASFRs. Here the difference or width of the classes is given as phi. So multiply the formula by phi. So phi into sigma quinquennial ASFRs, that is equal to phi into the sum total of ASFR value is 125.4774. So phi into 125.4774, that is equal to 627.3870. So the total fertility rate is 627.3870. In the next question, second problem, the question is to find or compute the total fertility rates and compare the fertility of the two communities. Here the data is given for two different communities. As you can see, here age groups are given along with age specific fertility rates. ASFR values are given in the question. Here age specific fertility rates are given for both the communities A and B. As we all know that TFR is based on the ASFR value. Here the direct ASFR values are given in the question. So in order to find the TFR, you should add all the ASFR values for both the communities A and B. So add the total ASFR value for community A and add the total ASFR value for community B. After that, write the formula. Since two different communities are given, TFR of the first community A. So TFR of A equal to phi into sigma quinquennial ASFR, because the given age groups are of width phi. So these are quinquennial age groups. Therefore, TFR of the first community, TFR of A equal to phi into sigma quinquennial ASFR. After that, substitute the values in the formula. That is, next step, phi into, consider the sum total of ASFR value for the first community. That is, phi into 624.25, which is equal to 3121.25. Similarly, compute TFR for community B. So TFR of B equal to phi into sigma quinquennial ASFRs, that is equal to phi into the sum of ASFR value for community B is 567.61. So that is equal to phi into 567.61, which is equal to 2838.05. After computing both the fertility values, you should compare the fertility rate for both the communities A and B. Here, birth rate is more in the first community than the second community, because 3121 is greater than 2838. So birth rate is more, fertility rate is more in the first community, that is in community A, than community B. So based on the TFR value, you should conclude about the data. Since TFR of A is greater than TFR of B, community A is more fertile. Next problem. From the following data, calculate TFRs and compare the fertility of two cities. The data is given. Your question is to find total fertility rate for both the population. Here two cities are considered, city A and city B is taken into consideration. Your question is to find the fertility rate and compare both the cities based on their fertility rate. Now, in order to find TFR, as we all know that first you should find the ASFR values for both the cities. So, solution. Under solution, draw a table and consider the data related to the first city, that is city A. So, take side heading as city A, and then draw a table. Consider all the age group which is given in the question. Consider the female population of city A. Similarly, consider the number of live births of city A, and then compute ASFR values for the first city. As you can see in this slide, I consider the data which is relevant to the first city, which is city A. So you can find the female population of city A in the given slide. You can find the number of live births which belongs to city A, and then all the ASFR values are computed. Now compute ASFR values for the first city. Similarly, compute ASFR value for the second city. Now, ASFR value for the first city is taken as ASFR of city A, which is 1204 divided by 14,000 into 1000, that is equal to 86. Second value, 2295 divided by 15,000, which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 153. Similarly, compute ASFR values for the rest of the age groups. After computing all the ASFR value, find the sum total of ASFR values, because TFR is calculated based on the sum total of ASFR value. So compute the sum total of ASFR values for city A, which is equal to 626. After that, compute TFR for city A. So TFR of A equal to, here the difference between the age groups or the width of the class interval is 5. So the formula is TFR equal to 5 into sigma quinquennial ASFRs, that is equal to 5 into 626, that is equal to 3130. Similarly, draw one more table for the second population. So take side heading as city B. Now draw one more table. Consider age groups which is given in the question. Consider female population for city B, which is 47,000, 50,000 and so on. Consider number of live births for city B, which is 1222, 7400 and so on. And then include one more column to find all the ASFR values for city B. So consider it as ASFR of B. After that, as usual, find all the age specific fertility rates, that is 1222 divided by 47,000, which is multiplied by 1000, and the answer is 26. Next value, 7400 divided by 50,000, which is multiplied by 1000, that is equal to 148. Similarly, compute ASFRs for the rest of the age groups and then find the sum total of ASFR for city B, which is 559. After that, write the formula to compute TFR. TFR equal to 5 into quinquennial ASFRs. Here you are finding total fertility rate for city B. So TFR of B equal to 5 into 559, that is equal to 2795. After that, compare the fertility values for both the cities. Here, fertility rate is more in the first city than the second city. 3130 is greater than 2795. Therefore, city A is more fertile. Since TFR of A is greater than TFR of B, city A is more fertile.